In this video, I will show you how to perform some basic functions related to uploading and running a package on the COZYROC Cloud. I have opened Visual Studio already, and I'm going to open the package I'll be using for this demo. I have the package protection level parameter set to save sensitive with password, so I need to enter that password now. I'll need to use the same password when I upload the package to the COZYROC Cloud. I'll show you where I set up this password now. I right-mouse click on the name of the project and then I click on Properties. And here you can see the protection level is set to encrypt sensitive with password. That is not the default, so you'll need to set this before you attempt to upload your package. If you do not use a setting that encrypts sensitive information, then you can still upload the package to the COZYROC Cloud, but all of the sensitive information will be removed. You'll have to go set up each of the passwords and other sensitive information manually after you upload the package to the cloud. This package will get the contacts from Dynamics CRM online and write them to a Google Sheet on Google Drive. Here's what the Dynamics CRM Connection Manager looks like. And here's what the Google Sheets Connection Manager looks like. When we upload the package to the COZYROC Cloud, the token file will not go with the package. We'll have to upload that in a separate step. Here's the Dynamics CRM source component. You can see where I selected Contact as the entity. Here's the REST destination component. You can see it's using the Google Sheets Connection Manager. And here's where I specify the path for the Google Sheet we're going to be writing to. Here you can see that I'm not copying over all the fields from the source to the destination. I'm only copying over a handful of them. Now we're at the login page for the COZYROC Cloud. I've entered my email address and my password, and I hit Submit, and I'm in. I'll upload the package now by clicking on this menu icon. I click on Upload Package and browse to find the package I was just showing you in Visual Studio. I'll just set a folder name of Demo. This will be helpful when you have a lot of packages running in the cloud. This is where I enter the password that I have set up for the package protection level of encrypt sensitive with password. This allows the package to be uploaded with all the sensitive information, such as passwords, in place. After I enter the password, I need to save the package. I could click on View here or Schedule. Instead, I'll click on the menu icon again. You can see that my package shows up now. I click on the name of the package, and I could enter more information about the package here if I wanted to. I'll show you the connection managers now. As far as the Dynamics CRM Connection Manager, it has all the information needed for making the connection. Here's the Google Sheets Connection Manager. We'll need to point it at the token file, and before we can do that, we need to upload the token file. To do that, I click on the wrench and then on the REST Token tab, and then I click on the plus button. I use the Browse function to find the file on my PC. I give it a name to be used on the cloud. It could be the same name as the file name or a different name. Then I save it. Now I click on the menu icon again. As you can see, these green confirmations persist until you close them. They also offer other ways to schedule the package and view the package or the token file. I click on my package, and we'll go look at the connection managers again. Now I can set up the Google Sheets Connection Manager to point to the token file. I click on the little pencil to edit this parameter, and in the Value field, I click on the little arrow and select the token file I just uploaded. Then I apply it. Now I click on Save for the Connection Manager, and you can see the green confirmation appears. If I click on the More button down in the corner, I'm offered a few options. I could have clicked on Schedule because the package is ready to run, but I want to show you another way to schedule packages. I click on the clock icon and it only shows scheduled packages, so my package isn't there. I click on the menu icon and then select my package by clicking on its name. I'll use the More button in the corner of this page and then click on Schedule. I'll give the scheduled job a name. This would be useful if I was actually scheduling it to run sometime in the future. I can enter some more descriptive information here also. I click on Timing, and you can see how to schedule packages to run in the future. A lot of options are provided, such as whether it's a recurring job and the frequency. You can also specify the time you want it to run. I'm just going to click on Run Now. I'll click on View in the green confirmation so I can watch the messages as it runs. I can click on the circle with the arrow icon and see the results of all the packages I've run. The one I just ran shows that it was successful in the status column. Thank you for watching.
Are you tired of updating packages because of changing metadata? How many hours have you spent accommodating new source and destination columns? How many nearly identical packages do you have to maintain? Especially when you need to update hundreds of them. Well, you should check out COZYROC's Dataflow Task Plus component. Dataflow Task Plus provides the ability to acquire the metadata and map the columns at runtime. You can even use transformations on the data. Just add the changes at the source and destination, execute, and Dataflow Task Plus will handle the process of extracting, transforming, and loading the desired columns from the source to the destination without a need to change the existing package. It works with any standard SSIS Dataflow components, transformations, and application adapters. No more manual package updates. Design your SSIS data flows with Dataflow Task Plus and save hundreds of hours. A vision of completely metadata-driven processing is now possible. Download COZYROC's Dataflow Task Plus from COZYROC.com. It's free for testing and development within Visual Studio.
If you'd like to follow us on social media, here's how you can do that.